Greetings, scholars. In this lesson, you'll look at where do quotation marks go. So we know they go around a character talking. So whenever you have dialogue, very weird word there, dialogue way, if you want to spell it, and if you want to say it, dialogue. So that's one of the places you put quotation marks. And then also if you're quoting information from the text, you need to put your quotation marks. So let's look at this sentence. Hey, that's mine, shouted Gerald. So what is Gerald actually saying? So start opening your quotation marks here. And then he said, hey, that's mine. And then we'll do an exclamation point since he's kind of excited there. Close quotation marks, shouted Gerald. Now, sometimes you'll do a comma here, but since we did the exclamation point, that takes the place of the comma. Tony walked over and said, where did you go? So when does he start talking? He says where. So you put your comma and then your opening quotation mark, and then when you finish up, your closing quotation mark. This is called the tag, the dialogue tag. Shouted Gerald is your dialogue tag. The text said, this is nothing special, so I know she didn't really like it. So what is the actual text being pulled from the text? This part here that says, this is nothing special. So put your comma, open quotation marks, and closing quotation marks. Also, the first letter in your opening quotation marks is capitalized. So that is supposed to be, this looks like a little bit lowercase. Let's capitalize that. So in this lesson, you looked at how to put your quotation marks in when you're doing dialogue or when you're pulling a sentence from the text.